Hello everyone, very good morning to all of you. Today I am going to conduct IELTS speaking test, or it would be very original, or I try my best that I should not use any other language, so I'll speak only English. So many of the students who are waiting my all speaking test in English language, so wait is over. Today I am going to conduct IELTS speaking test, or at the end hope so you would like or learn so many things. Without wasting a time, let's get started. So this would be definitely original speaking, because that it's not a cramped basis, means that I did not tell her about the questions, everything like an exam, or maybe what happened will feel that's okay. I'm going to give you one paper. I have a one cue card. I'll give you exact 1 minute to prepare, or after that continue 2 minutes you'll have to speak, or rest of the time I can stop to you. That's fine. The cue card name is here. Describe your childhood friend. That's very unique. Or my bullet points are: what she look like, how did you meet her, how old were you when you met, or are you still friend? This is your cue card, or your time starts now. Very good. You have done? Seriously? Huh? Or frankly, everyone, I want to let you know that this is really not a cramming. This not mean that I gave her cue card earlier. I just gave her only 20 seconds and she made it. Or I hope that you'll do better. So my YouTube family, let's start our cue card, or we'll see that any of the mistake, kindly find it, or you can comment there, or I hope that you will not do any mistakes. So please go on.
I have many friends, but today I'm going to talk about my childhood friend. She is none other than Prince. She is my best friend since my childhood, and we used to study in one class. I met her during my pre-nursery, and she is my friend till now. I think I was about 4 to 5 years old when I met her, and I think that she was the best person I met in my life. She is the motivator of my life. She always motivates me to move forward rather than just being disappointed by my mistakes, or when sometimes I scored low in my school. She always motivated me. I can say that we used to study different kind of things together. We also played different kind of activities, and moreover I can say that when I started to study with her, I was able to gain different kind of knowledge, and even my parents, when my mother met her for first time, she was really very impressed. She told me and my mother that she is very good at art and craft, and as well as she usually played football and some other kind of game with the children at her street. And I think I'm the lucky one that I have her in my life, and mostly the student and my classmates usually compliment me that I'm the lucky one that I have her in my life. And even my friends, even my class teachers also appreciate her. She's very good with her work. She complete all the work at time, and moreover I can say she is very beautiful and have good dressing sense. Even she taught me different kind of stuff related to fashion designing, and she always maintain herself. And all in all, I can say this is my childhood friend, which is with me still now, and I think she'll always be with me for my rest of the life.
That's fine. So this is the end of our IELTS speaking. So seriously, you did a great job here. You are my best friend. Even you are my sister. You know better about this. I suggest everyone like she did. So you people can download my application. It's my application. I'm not going to advertise anyone's. Me and my brother Pawan Kumar, we both are working on this application. This is just for those students who cannot afford much fees of the institute, as well as who want like a personal trainer. This application works for you. So if you people follow me, watch my video, or this video we just made only one language, it's English. It's called a direct method. Download my application. Description link is there. After that, practice continuously, or you can get your band score on the daily basis, or like she did, you people also can do better. So in comment kindly how many bands you will get. We will both read your comments, your lovely comments. We wait. Lots of love, respect you. Like these kind of speaking you will get soon, very soon, or subscribe my channel or 1 million soon. Thank you very much. Lots of love. Thank you very much.